learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today we are learning about 其实. First, let's watch an animation about the word 其实.
我以为他不会唱歌，其实他唱得很好听。
其实是什么意思？
其实是用来说出真实情况、纠正之前想法的意思。
A few minutes later.
这家店看着普通，其实味道特别棒。
你这次说的其实又是什么意思？
这里还是表示真实的情况和表面不一样。
我明白了，当想法和事实不一样时，就可以用其实。
没错，日常聊天中，我们经常用这个词转折，补充真相。
其实我早就知道这件事了。
说的没错。
Today, we will learn the real meanings and common usages of 其实 in daily Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 其实,其实,其实. The Chinese word 其实 is a very common conjunction. It means actually, in fact, or as a matter of fact. It is used to show the truth or change people's wrong opinions. Now let's learn different usage scenarios. First scenario, 其实很简单. Let's read it 3 times together. 其实很简单. 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 其实很简单 means actually, it is very simple. We use it to correct others' wrong views. The second scenario, 其实我知道. Let's read it 3 times together. 其实我知道. 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 其实我知道 means in fact, I know it. It is used to tell others your real thoughts. Scenario 3, 其实不贵. Read with me 3 times. 其实不贵. 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 The meaning of 其实不贵 is actually, it is not expensive. We use it to describe prices or costs. Scenario 4, 其实不一样. Let's read it 3 times together. 其实不一样. 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 其实不一样 means in fact they are different. It is used to explain differences. Scenario 5, 其实没关系. Read it 3 times with me. 其实没关系. 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 The meaning of 其实没关系 is actually, it's fine. We often say this to comfort other people. To sum up, 其实 is widely used in daily talks. It helps you state the truth and turn around previous ideas. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 其实. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.